Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost and see what other goodies they have to offer. And hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Here we go. Let's see what's inside. Oh boy. Some kind of Amazon product. What do we got here? Alright. Got a brand new Echo Dot 4th generation with clock. Ooh. Got the little bling to it down here. Look at that fancy dancy hollow foil. And that's a nice one. Totally different from this little guy down there. Alright. I got a notification. So, we all know how to do these. Let's see if there's anything different besides the look. The look looks really nice though. Gotta test out the clock. Hopefully I don't have to set it up. It does it automatically once I turn it on. Because it is linked up to my account. So, here we go. Let's see what's in this goodie box. Hopefully the cables are the same. Oh, these might be different. It's a nice feel to it. Here we go. Oh, looky. Has a nice feel right here. Volume, power, something. I forgot what that was. Mute. Got the Amazon logo right there. Alright, plug her in. Let's test this one out. Scream and shout. It's been one of those days. Losing my voice. Unplug the old for a second. And put the new in. Can't believe it's 4th generation right now. I pretty much got them all. And I was never really into these, but they are helpful. Little devices. Alright, here we go. Ooh. Look at that. Oh, it's spinning. Should load up a few seconds. That's nice. Here we go. Whoa. Oh, look at that.
Hello. Your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Okay.
Hola, vamos a empezar. Instala la app de Alexa y sigue las instrucciones.
Bonjour. Votre appareil est prêt pour la configuration. Téléchargez l'application Alexa et suivez les instructions.
Bringing your device online. Just a moment. Your Echo is ready.
Oh, sweet. Oh, it's exactly 432. See, that's really cool. Because back in the day, you had to set it up and everything. So once she gets to your house, she is ready to go. Alexa, weather.
Currently, in Clinton Township, it's 35 degrees Fahrenheit with snow. Tonight, you can expect snowy, rainy weather with a low of 32 degrees.
Sweet. Be a cold one. But yeah, Alexa, NFL updates.
Here is your sports update. In American football, today, the Panthers beat the Lions 20-0.
Ah,
The Lions will play the Panthers this afternoon at 1 p.m.
they
In
lost.
baseball, the Tigers lost to the Royals 3-1.
Huh? Why is baseball on? That's interesting. Hey Alexa, there's no baseball season right now.
Sorry, I don't know that. But you have baseball score check enabled. Do you want to open it?
No. So there you go. Like I said, this is really cool. Great color to it. Pretty cool clock right there. And it shows the weather. Maybe the sports updates. Maybe if you set it up right to it. But 434. Oh yeah. We all know what that means back in the day. Pager codes. Boom. 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 Alright, YouTubers. Be safe. Have a good one. See ya.